Today we're diving into an important topic: understanding your child's rights in the school system. Every child deserves a quality education, and knowing your rights is the first step in advocating for your special needs child. This is just a brief introduction to your rights. There are many resources you can access that can give you detailed information on how to effectively advocate for your child's rights. We will have those listed in the handout that goes with this video. To give you an idea of the many places you can turn for free advice, you have a parent resource page at the Department of Education with lots of areas that you can do deep dives in if you are so inclined. A Milwaukee-based group called Wisconsin Facets has detailed modules on their website to teach you about every aspect of your rights. They also have a free helpline in English and Spanish where you can speak directly with counselors about your specific concerns. The Encompass team highly recommend the Facets team and their staff. They want to help, and they're free. Use them. Autism United has recorded free seminars that we have given on IEPs. Under federal law, specifically the Individuals with Disabilities Education Act, your child has the right to a free and appropriate public education. This means that schools must provide services tailored to your child's unique needs. Your child also has the right to access the general curriculum, receive necessary support, and participate in extracurricular activities. Here are some key rights to remember. Free and appropriate education, or FAPE. Your child must receive an education tailored to their needs. Inclusion. Your child has the right to learn in the least restrictive environment. It will be up to you and your team to decide what level of inclusion in general ed settings you want for your child. Parent participation. You have the right to be involved in the decision-making process regarding your child's education. Appeal. There are systems in place for you to appeal any decision your district makes, from their determination of your child's needs to the details of their proposed IEP. While we're on the topic of participation and appeal, please remember this. While you have the right to be involved in the decision-making process, you don't have the right to make all the decisions. So how should you go about navigating disagreements? It's normal for parents and school administrators to have different perspectives. The first step, communication. Many people forget that open and honest discussions can solve most problems. Approach discussions with an open mind and share what factors you think the district is not fully considering. Seek common ground. Suggest reasonable alternatives. We want to stress that staff members are considering many factors that you may not be considering. Listen, ask questions, and see if you can resolve things through mutual understanding. If that doesn't work, remember, you have options. You can request a formal meeting with school staff or even ask for mediation in certain cases. During mediation, a neutral third party, often a trained mediator, facilitates discussions between the parents and the school to help them reach a mutually acceptable agreement. At this point in the process, we recommend that you talk to the staff at Wisconsin Facets if you haven't already. If those efforts don't resolve the issue, you can appeal the decision. This may involve writing a formal complaint to the school district or the state's education agency. Finally, you may consider hiring an attorney. And however you navigate discussions with your district, you should remember there are so many people in the community that want to help. Connect with other parents and reach out to local advocacy groups. We've included a list of organizations that can help you in the handout for this video. If you are currently facing difficulties navigating a situation at your district, please let us know in your one-on-one session with Encompass staff. We'll connect you with groups who can help.